Alright, so my coyote is really starting to piss me off. Bad coyote. Bad. Welcome to, or welcome back to, Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today we're going to clear some of this crap out to the pine trees back behind me here. And to do that, we're going to need to run to town and get some off-road diesel. Alright, as I was coming through here, I found this white oak. It's kind of lopsided because it's been smushed by other plants. And then I found a little white pine right here. And we're going to leave that. Get off me, stink bug. And if you're wondering, today I'm listening to the Red Hot Chili Peppers. If y'all could subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, or a share, or both, or all of the above, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Now when I'm clearing out areas like this, a lot of times this kind of twiggy thin stuff is hard to get with the grapple, so I like to come through afterwards with the brush mower and mow it down. Alright, so my coyote is really starting to piss me off. Before, the 3-point wouldn't work. Before that, the cab lighting didn't work. Now the PTO will not engage. Nothing. Light comes on the dash. Nothing. I just used it 2 days ago. I don't know why this crap keeps happening, but this coyote, dude, it's driving me nuts. Seems like every few months I've got another problem with this tractor. The PTO worked perfectly 2 days ago. Now it doesn't work at all. There's no error codes. There's nothing to tell you that there's a problem. It's just leaving you guessing. Nothing up here preventing it from spinning. Nothing obvious here. So I guess I have to take this thing back to the dealer again, and hopefully it's still under warranty, because it's starting to get really annoying. My dealer is an hour away from me. I have to load it on my trailer. I have to take off time from work to drive it all the way down there and back. What a giant pain in the ass. Well, since my PTO is not working, I guess instead of using it to help clear this area of dogwoods and honeysuckle, I guess I'm just going to use the grapple. I'm still pissed off about this, if you haven't noticed. Just thing after thing after thing after thing with this tractor. I'll also be clearing out this area here. It's kind of a mound of sand right there. And here's my old truck bed garden that I'm going to place through here after I get it finally cleaned up. And then we got these nice eastern white pines and a cherry tree right here. Would have been nice to be able to use my PTO and brush mower to knock down some of this thin crap instead of having to dig in there and rip it out. Bad coyote. Bad. Now I just got to get this big pile of debris moved and stacked up with the other piles of debris. Saved my little pines, saved my white oak. As you can see, the dogwoods, the honeysuckle, and some just random dead pine trees have been removed. And a nice wide open area now. Pretty big contrast to what it looked like before. Yeah, it was a fun little project. Now I just got to do some soil prep work and seeding, and that'll be in a future video. So make sure to subscribe with notifications on for when I post my upcoming videos. Well, I think that's about going to wrap it up for this video, for part 1 at least. I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for watching. Quick update. For whatever reason, now my PTO works, so I won't have to take it to the dealer for now. Fingers crossed that it doesn't stop working again.